What's up guys, my name's Ethan and welcome to East Coast Rides. Originally in today's video I was going to be putting Forester struts on my Impreza for a more aggressive look, but after the fronts were put on it looked ridiculous. Instead I will be going the opposite direction and install some ISC coilovers. The car had its OEM struts that it came with 20 years ago, so all nuts and bolts were very rusty. Although I sprayed the nuts and bolts with blaster and let it sit overnight, it did not help. Luckily, the three nuts that held on the suspension support of the strut to the car wasn't difficult to take off since there was little to no rust. Although I did not film this part, in order to loosen the bottom two bolts, I had to use a breaker bar. Once the nut was removed, you can clearly see how rusty and dry the threads of the bolt were. After re-watching myself take out the strut, I definitely could have done it without slipping it through the ABS line.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Since these coilovers don't have a bracket for the ABS line, I had to zip tie it to the coilover. I had to adjust both the front and rear coilovers in order to get a good ride height. I also put 2 spacers on the rear of the vehicle so the stock wheels wouldn't rub up against the bottom collar of the coilover. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing.